I'm Sarah Marie with Sarah Marie Fitness, and the other day I ordered something that I took a chance on. I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna do an unboxing. I'm completely, almost totally out of fresh fruits and vegetables. I'm totally out of fresh vegetables, almost out of fresh fruit. I haven't had time to get to the store, so I ordered something. This is what I ordered. It's a Misfits box. It's actually the smallest one that they offer. I was really leery at first because I felt like it was gonna be a waste of money. And then I got this 10% off coupon, which, by the way, there's a link in the description for a 10% off. If you click on my link in the description, you'll get 10% off your first box as well, which I highly, well, I don't know if I recommend or not. I don't even know how much it boasts as far as pounds go, but it's pretty hefty. I think I'm just gonna open it and see what's inside. Misfits boasts that they buy organic fruits and vegetables that don't make the cut for the regular grocery store. Basically, they're ugly. Either they're misshapen, too big, or too small, and they resell it. So let's see what we've got. It comes with a nice recipe. Oh, it's still cold. It's like 90 degrees outside and it's cold. Okay, so there's a head of kale. Let's pull out this ice. Let's see. That's broccoli. Ooh, radicchio. Ooh, that is a giant cucumber. That's going on my salad. Mango, full of limes. And those are little bitty green bell peppers. Eggplant. Oh, a couple of potatoes down in there. And I'm not sure. Oh, that's green beans, that feels like. Broccoli. That looks pretty good. Green beans. And bell peppers. Let's take a look at these. They're a little bit rough, but they're still totally edible. I'm pretty satisfied. There is somebody in my driveway. There's a pretty decent amount of food in here. It's stuff that we'll eat. The packaging is interesting. This isn't quite a plastic bag. It's a wet plastic bag. I don't know, but these are nice ice packs, and with kids that we're always packing lunches for, they're actually still cold. And I don't know how long it sat outside. I pulled it in when we got home, and we've been home for about an hour. So it stayed cold for a good long while. Packaged really well. Everything looks good and fresh, and I think it was worth it. I'm probably gonna do this again because it saved me from having to grocery store, and I just filled up my fruit and veggie drawer and then some. One of the reasons why I wanted to try Misfits was because it was at your door and you could do weekly or bi-weekly, and there were 2 options of sizes. I feel like the small one did a really good job for me. My kids are not gonna eat most of these vegetables. I'm just gonna be real with you. So it's pretty much gonna be me eating them and probably Justin, but that's gonna be about it. So it was a great size. The vegetables look good enough that they're gonna last me probably a week if I keep them in the refrigerator. I'll be able to eat them within a week, and then I can get another box delivered to my door in 1 week, or I can have it delivered every other week. In conclusion, I really felt like it was worth it to buy it. That was a lot of fresh vegetables and a couple of limes in there. Not really sure what I'm gonna do with all of it, but tonight I am making a frittata.